A medical expert is this evening reminding persons who bleach their skin of the dangers of this practice. Shamala Pullen tells us more in the health report.
Skin bleaching refers to the use of products to lighten dark areas of the skin or achieve an overall lighter complexion.
Currently, I'm seeing a lot more persons using glutathione creams and either injected into them or by taking tablets. In addition to the regular bleaching creams that have in the steroids, as well as using the acids such as the lactic acids, etc.
But while skin bleaching is not on the rise in Jamaica, dermatologist Dr. Lorenia Muir-Green says it is becoming pervasive.
We also have foreigners who come from countries in Southeast Asia as well as Eastern Asia, East Asia, Southeast Asia, and South Asia. So Indians, Chinese, even some Koreans that have moved here. Even if the person is light skinned, we see light skinned persons also bleaching. It has to do with some amount of self-esteem issues and the fact that when you look on the television, persons who are white or very light skinned tend to be lauded and considered very beautiful. And, that can cause some amount of pressure.
And so she's reminding persons of the dangers of the practice.
You can get a lot of side effects. These include stretch marks. These, people call it bust-up skin. You can get lots of things like skin infections, especially I've seen whole body ringworm. I've seen whole body bacterial infections of the skin. We've seen persons walking in with significant acne, mainly on the face and the body, and even stretching all the way down to the thighs.
Depending on the damage done to the skin, there are medications and other treatment options available to bring the skin back to normal, but not in all cases. Therefore, the dermatologist is appealing to persons to stop the bleaching. With your health report, I'm Shamala Pullen wishing you good health.